Aloha guys, and welcome back. I'm Cameron.
And I'm Keanu.
And this is the So Well Garage. So in today's episode, me and Keanu are tackling the only rust spot on this Jeep, and it is going to be right here on the actual cowl. So me and Keanu are not fabricators by any means or welders, but I think that we can get this done, man. What do you
Definitely,
think?
definitely.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a little bit of a learning curve and a process.
Trial and error mainly, but I think that we can do it. We're also going to try and source a machine shop so that we can get that head fixed and then hopefully get this thing on the road. Let's get it, guys. Alright guys, so we are back from the machine shop. We went to Island Cylinder Heads, and I gotta say I'm really confident with those guys. They were super awesome. The lady there was super knowledgeable, and just, yeah, it went really well. So I think we're gonna be pretty good on that, so we'll let you guys know as soon as we know anything about what's going on with the head. But now it's time to try our hand at welding. So we'll see how this goes, guys. Pretty simple and straightforward, I think. We're just gonna kind of cut out the old rot in like a square, cut a new square out of the sheet metal that we got, and then tack it up. So let's get it, guys. Alright guys, well I think it is pretty clear that I have absolutely no idea what I am doing when it comes to welding. All in all, I don't think it's that bad. I think, how's the saying go? A grinder makes me the welder I'm not, or something like that. So we're gonna grind this down, and I think it'll be okay. I'm probably gonna have some gaps and stuff I need to fill. But eventually I'll get there, guys. So let's go. So after absolutely failing at welding, I guess I didn't do all that bad, but I finally got all the little like pinholes and stuff like that filled up, and then I threw some filler over it so that way I can sand it and get everything nice and smooth and great. But I wanted to see what you guys thought about this. So I took, since I had so much extra steel left over, I put one of the surrounds over it, traced it out, cut it out, and then it fits like perfectly in there. And then I traced a 7-inch circle around it. And I really want to do that now. I'm not a huge fan of the square lights. I know a whole lot of YJ purists are going to be pissed about that, but I really like the circle lights, and I found some ones that I really like. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. Alright guys, so you might have noticed that things are a little bit different than where we left them off. It is the next day, but I have done a little bit of work here and there. It's kind of hard to videotape it and it not look like crap because it's nighttime. But basically what we found was we do have a little bit of more rust. So I don't want rust to be like an issue with this Jeep, since literally I everywhere else on this Jeep I've not seen any like through rust other than here and there. So I would rather clean everything up and get it as good and as perfect as I possibly can, while we have literally everything pulled apart. Alright guys, so we have our plate built and it fits in there pretty much perfectly. So I think this is my redemption shot when it comes to welding. So we'll see how this goes, guys. Let's go. Alright guys, so that is pretty much going to do it for the bodywork, rust spots anyways. But I thought maybe I could redeem myself with welding on this, and I did not. I failed just as miserably as I did on the cowl, but with a little bit of Bondo and a little bit of patience and sanding. Everything's nice and structurally sound, so I'm really not all that worried about it. This spot especially is not like super visible at all. But that is pretty much going to do it for today's episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like what we're doing here, please consider subscribing. Thanks guys, and peace.